Hey guys, today is a super big day. Luca and I are headed over to the nursery and we're going to show you why. We'll see you over there.
Down. I'm just plowing these onto the table.
How do you lift that?
It was because
It's very light.
your dad came to do. Hey guys!
Hey guys, so we've been planting up for 2 days straight. We're full of some good dirt and mud and it's been so fun. We got 3,600 some.
Pretty much almost 4,000 plants.
plants planted, and we couldn't have done it because we had a huge team and helping so much.
Oh, they've been amazing.
Yeah, getting so much done, but we brought giant cookies and had a big party and it was so much fun, and it was just so fun to get, like, it's end of February and getting all these plants planted and just, it's been so fun. So
it's like we get to the garden and beat the system before you guys.
That's right, that's right. So it's like the kickoff to the season. So we're gonna show you a little bit of the plants that we planted and take a look around.
Yes.
Hot. I just want you to get the dirt.
This is our dirt manager right here. Are you helping us fill up all the pots?
What?
All right, guys. So this is a little bit of behind the scenes.
Planting station.
Planting station right here. So Luca right here has been helping us out, pulling all the plugs. He is speedy. Look at that. Go, 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 go. And then this whole pallet right here that we've had, excuse our trash, and these are all the boxes where all the plants came from. So this is trash. We're trying to clean everything up from last season and this season, trying to get everything neat and tidy. And then these are pallets that we actually got for free, and they're a little old and crusty, but once we put everything on it, everything just looks nice and tidy. So we had this whole pallet literally just stacked this tall of pots. Yeah, I might post a picture or a video clip here, but we had a whole pallet filled with soil and pots prepped with soil, top and bottom, and now you see how empty it is. That's how much we got done. Dr. Holly here is potting up. So essentially, Luca, look at all his work. These are the plugs, what they look like, a little close up. What are you planting here?
This is Supertunia Bordeaux. I think one of my absolute favorites. It's that Supertunia that is like a purplish, bluish, like purple, and it just gets huge. It's so beautiful. So we're just getting these popped into the ground.
Yep, and just pop them in, and then
we tag them.
And then we'll tag
all
them.
These gorgeous tags where you can see a picture there.
Oh yeah, and this is what Supertunia Bordeaux looks like.
You wanna tag them for us?
We love this plant.
So
I'll tag them.
he's gonna go ahead and tag them.
You're gonna go ahead and tag them, Luca?
Watch out, boss. I can tag them.
Of course, we give them some good organic fertilizer once we're done.
Yeah, so we will pot them up in some really good organic soil mix that we have, and then also we will fertilize them. I like to use flower tone on here by Espoma usually, but we ran out, so right now we're using plant tone. So like I said in that one video, whatever tone you got, just use it. And then also we water, or we have a liquid, like seaweed, organic fertilizer, and we give them that once a week. And we find these plants just do great.
They're gonna have blooms on soon. They're gonna be so pretty. Can't wait.
Chip. They're so fast they can't keep up. I like it. I like skinny chip.
Hey, Swish. This soil's
We only have 3 more left. But we need 4 more. See? 3. But we have 4 left.
a short one.
Gotta tuck in this guy. And then gotta tag him. And gotta tuck in this guy.